Hi there guys. Now this video is specifically made for my online learners. Now if you can remember very well, in physics we are looking at electricity. So in case you were not there when we met last time, this video is there just to explain one or two things for you to catch up. So with me here is a simple question that I've made just for the sake of understanding, which says the figure below shows two resistors connected to a 12 volts battery. So we have these two resistors that are connected to a 12 volts battery. We are saying calculate the effective resistance in the circuit. Once again, this question is coming from current electricity, which is what we are doing. So how do we get the effective resistance in this circuit? So it's very important to know, first of all, that this type of arrangement that we have is what we call a series connection. Okay, this is a series connection. The resistors that we have are on the same wire, and also there's only one route or one path for current to flow. So this is a series connection. Remember, current flows from positive to negative in that direction. There's only one path for current to flow. This is a series connection. Now, how do we get the effective resistance in a series connection? So by effective resistance, we mean the total resistance. So how do we get the total resistance in a series connection? So we say RT, meaning total resistance, is equal to R1 plus R2 plus so on, if we had more than two resistors connected here. So the total resistance in this case, RT, would be equal to, our R1 is 2, so we have 2 ohms, plus our R2 is 3 ohms. So we have 3 ohms like that. And so the total resistance in this case would be equal to 5 ohms. So 5 ohms is the effective resistance in the circuit. Question B, we are saying calculate the total current flowing through the circuit. How do we get the total current flowing through the circuit? So from the formulas that I gave you, which one would be best to use here? Now look at this. We have the total voltage in the circuit. We also have the total resistance in the circuit. So remember from Ohm's law where we said that resistance is equal to voltage over current. Okay, we had that formula. Now what is the resistance? We are going to get the total resistance in this case, which is 5. So where there is resistance here, we are saying 5 is equal to, what is the total voltage in the circuit? It is 12. So where there is voltage, we are going to put 12 over the total current that we are looking for now. So from here, we simply just cross multiply like that. So 5 times current, we are getting 5 current equals 1 multiplied by 12, we get 12. And then we divide both sides by current, by 5 like that. So those guys will cancel out. And so the current, when we say 12 divided by 5, 12 divided by 5, we get 2.4. So the current will be equal to 2.4. Now, do not forget the units of current, amps or amperes. So that is how we go about that question there. See you in the next video.